Hey there! You've got your Rainley Bossa. Now let me show you how easy it is to install in under 2 minutes. Ready? Let's go! Step 1. Let's start by removing your current shower head. Turn it counterclockwise. You can do this by hand with no tools. If it's really stuck, use a wrench wrapped in a soft cloth to protect the finish and steady the shower arm with your free hand. Step 2. Wipe the shower arm threads clean with a dry cloth to remove any old debris or tape residue. Step 3. The Rainley Bossa comes with 2 silicone O-rings. Gently press one into the groove with your finger to make sure it's fully seated and secure. The second O-ring is provided as a spare in case your shower head needs a replacement. Step 4. Plumber's tape is usually not needed thanks to the silicone O-rings, but if you notice leaking after testing, apply 2 to 3 wraps to the bottom threads. Just remember, using too much tape can actually prevent a proper seal. Step 5. Hand tighten the Rainley Bossa onto the shower arm clockwise. Make sure it sits straight. Do not over-tighten. Step 6. Reattach your shower head to the bottom of the Bossa and hand tighten. Turn the water back on slowly and let it run for 2 minutes to flush the filter. That's it. You're all set. Get ready for softer skin, healthier hair, and a fresher shower experience with Rainley.